Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing the raindrop effect from the lovely Tea and Art. I've seen her doing it, I've seen a few other people doing it, but I think she was the first person that I've seen doing it. So yeah, this is just, I'm doing a tray and two coasters here. If you've not seen it before, you just put small drops of UV resin into your mould, cure that so it stays in the drop form. Then once it's cured, that's when you put your chameleon powders on, or any colour really that you want. But yeah, so there's quite a few people been doing this, so I've got to jump on it. But yeah, I wanted to give it a try and see how it turned out. It's pretty easy to touch up if your drops do touch together. You can either just clean it up with cotton buds and some alcohol, or you can actually just cure it and then peel that one or two drops off that have went wrong. Sorry, I'm just trying to tidy up everything at the same time. Just doing this voiceover. Yeah, so hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's had a nice weekend. We're now at the middle of the week. Yeah, I've been watching Tina do this technique in a few different moulds, and they all turn out really nice. I thought I would give it a wee try. Shalina, I think that's her name. Tina. And that's how you see it anyway. Sorry, I'm badly dyslexic, so I can't say a lot of words, and no, really, that I got help at school, because when you were my age you got slagged for stuff like that when you were at school. I'm not sure if that still goes on nowadays, but I ken that it's much better than what it used to be. So anyway, yeah, this is me started with the chameleon powders. I am using the Resin Intense chameleon powders. This one is the deep blue, and I've got some extra powder left over in the mould, a bit excess, so I'm just dusting a body mould with the excess, because I've got plans to do that as well. So yeah, that's just me changing the camera angle. I reckon why I done that, honestly don't know. So yeah, I did use the deep blue to start with, and now I think it's the Galaxy that I've went in with. Yeah, I'm positive it's the Galaxy that I went in after that. Yeah, so I just thought I'd make it two colours to make it look a little bit more interesting. Yeah, I think it's a really fun technique, and it looks really cool. I really like it. Well, thanks, Shalina, for sharing this with us all. As you can see, we all love it. Yeah, so after you've done this, you just want to pour in black. You can pour in other colours if you want, but to get the best effect from the chameleon powders, you're best to use a black paste so that it's really, really solid, and that's how you'll get the best colours. You can do them in other darker colours, and you can do it in white as well, but like I say, the colours just will not stand out as much as they do with the black. Yeah, I've seen Tina Art. She's just been doing it. Not Tina Art. Sorry. Julie Cuts the pouring the part out. She's just done it. Sherry Moulton's done it. She done it a while ago as well, I think. And there's loads of people that's done it on YouTube, on Instagram. There's also quite a few people that's done it on Facebook as well. Yes, I think everyone that does resin's having a shot. We all want to have a go. I've seen Daniel, in fact. Daniel. What's his name now? I forgot his second name. Cooper. Daniel Cooper. He's just done them on small jewellery pieces. I'm going to have a go at a different technique today. One of Petra Gerbert's. The crushed ice effect. I want to try that. So that's next. I think I'm going to maybe try that today. Yeah, should do it. Yeah. I've also got a video today of the pigments. I've done some of the pigment paste that I said I was going to do, the swatches. I've done some swatches, so I've got that video to do, but I've got other swatches to do, so I'll maybe record these swatches that I've got just now, and then I'll add that, and then add on the other swatches so that it's all in one video for you. So yeah, I think that's on the cards for today. I love it. I love how it's turned out. It's turned out so pretty. Oh, it's turned out so beautiful. And I've done wee ones on the edges. Wee dots on the edges of the mould. Just to tie it in with the middle of the mould. Hopefully you like it. Yeah, I think it's really cool. Such a great effect. It has such an impact. You've done a few around the edges. Just showing you around the edges. I've done just a small drips around the edges. Yeah, I really like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Have you tried this? Is there any technique that you prefer? Have you tried this technique? Do you like it? Good. Chucking the coaster away. I just think that the colours are great, the effect's great, I love it all. So give it a go, folks, and show us. I've got loads. I've still got like 2 weeks to catch up on YouTube. I've just been so busy with the hoofs.
Look amazing.
At the hospital the other day there with my daughter.
They look great.
Just, oh, and bloody what a waste of time.
Really happy with these ones.
It was just shocking, honestly. And I totally support the NHS 110%.
This was a technique that
It's just
I've
drastically
seen.
gone downhill.
I've seen T and Art do it.
My
I've
daughter got
seen
treated. I was not happy.
Julie
but
for pouring your heart
I
out.
was
Just
not
done it.
allowed to go through and see the doctor there, so I was not
Sherry
there when the
Moulton's
doctor
done
was
it.
speaking
There's
to
quite
me,
a few
but
people
she
who
just
have done
got totally fobbed off, which she shouldn't have been. Because
Yeah, I
111
thought I
thought
would
it was
try
something
this
serious,
one.
so
Catch the
they thought it was something
raindrops.
serious, and they phoned her.
Just to
They
see
were
how it
phoning
would
her at
turn.
back at 10 at night, and then she was getting phone calls at back
But
at 7 in the
turned out
morning.
really cool.
But yet when we got up there, they were just like, oh, just go home. I think it's nothing. Without, and that is without checking her over, without
This one.
taking her bloods, without doing anything.
What do you prefer? The
I
actual
think
just
it was
drop
absolutely shocking.
some her there. Sort of
Honestly,
teardrop shape.
and
I prefer this
I
one.
really do love the NHS. But my God,
I love the tree.
something's just no right. Really no right. I'm able to give the care that this should
Thanks
be
for
able to
watching,
give,
folks. This is
So
just
I
a
do
quick
blame the
video just to
nurses
show
for
you these
these
results.
because it's not the job they signed up for.
Yeah, thanks for watching, folks. And give it a go. I hope you
Anyway,
enjoyed.
back to
Thanks
this.
for
So
watching.
yeah,
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed it. And I've got a few stills here, a few other things that I done. A couple of pictures of these and a couple of pictures of a couple of other things. So I hope you enjoy. If you've got any questions, stick them in the comments box. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this technique or if you've tried it. Lots to leave. So yeah, I hope that you have got something for this video anyway. Thanks for watching. Please drop me a comment and a like and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I would love you to become a subscriber. So yeah, just before this goes off, I just want to say thanks a lot everybody. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for being there. See you all. Bye.